Hello, in this video I'll guide you how to buy. So to buy you can log into Zerodha Kite. Suppose I want to buy IOC Intel Oil Corporation. Click on the buy. Select how you would like to buy, like regular, quick, MTF, iceberg and cover. I will explain you in this video regular. So select regular, select the quantity you want to buy. Here also on the top you can see is showing uh, current price is 161.90. I would say I'm planning to buy 5 units, and here you can select either the limit or the market price. So I want to go ahead and buy based on the market price. Validity is day, and yeah, that's all. And I think I'm good to buy. Click on buy and you can see here buy IOC is complete, 5 order at the rate 161. Go here to check your order details. So go to the order and click on this order. Here you can see executed order, and first you can see IOC quantity 5 out of 5, and average, with average price I bought it at 161.91. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.